Nah, ini dia hasilnya tuh, hamburgernya banyak banget ya. Enaknya, tinggal dimakan, Bu. Tuh, ada hamburgernya, ada rotinya, ada selai, tuh salad, ada tomat, ada french fries, dan ada kecap dan mayones dan keju. Selamat makan, smakelijk eten, enjoy your meal. Welcome back on my little channel with homemade recipe Enak Belgium. Today I will share about how to make hamburger, the healthy hamburger with the french fries. Of course, the french fries with the fresh potatoes. I will make it by myself with fresh. All I use the fresh ingredients. So before this video starts, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and give me a feedback later. Thank you for watching this video. I will show you now all the ingredients. Of course, I use the hamburger bread like this with the sesame. I'm on holiday in Toscana, so it's the kitchen a little bit smaller. It's okay, but I still can cook. So I use 2 pieces of the shallot, 2 pieces of garlic, a few pieces of potato, this fresh potato, and fresh meat, hamburger meat. This I marinate by myself with fresh ingredient. You can see it. And so I use the mayonnaise later for the hamburger with french fries, and ketchup, tomato ketchup like this. So it's easy. If you want to know this, the with ingredients are basilicum, little pepper, and little bit garlic, and little bit salt. That's all. And I will show you also the other. Of course, I use the fresh lettuce like this. I need to wash first, and then I cut it small pieces like this. And I use, of course, also the fresh tomato. This type of tomato is pomodoro. This typical from Toscana. It's more sweet. You see, the color is more red also because the ripe enough. This tomato is ripe enough and sweet and so tasty. It's yummy, this type of the tomato. Okay, it's easy, right? Now I will cut the small pieces of the french fries, slices. So slices like the french fries, huh? Small slices. And I put this. Cut all these pieces. So I add a little bit salt. That's it. Leave it for 5 minutes, yeah, 5 menit. After that, cut these small pieces. Oops. then the garlic. Okay, so it's ready. I will fry it with a little bit oil later. Okay, so it's ready, and this and that later. Okay, delicious, fresh and delicious, and also healthy. This, and right with the temperature like that. Okay, let's put it in. Right down. Hamburger. And then french fries again. This. And then this. The first, need to fry it again for second time. Take it out. Put it here. Okay. bit paper ya. paper ini ya, paper. Okay, and then mix it. That's it. Ready. Put it. See? Nah, ini dia hasilnya tuh, hamburgernya banyak banget ya. Enaknya, tinggal dimakan, Bu. Tuh, ada hamburgernya, ada rotinya, ada selai, tuh salad, ada tomat, ada french fries, dan ada kecap dan mayones dan keju. Selamat makan, selamat eaten, enjoy your meal. Enak kan? Enak-enak banget loh. Juicy, yummy, tasty. Tuh, enak banget deh. Watching my video today, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya ya. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa. Ciao. Ciao tutti. Salam dari